wasted on this dumb boy who likes to chase. But why am I so angry in the first place? Why am I hurting? Men tror ich schweige, she's not your girlfriend.